Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the pupil distance on PICO for Ultra. To adjust the pupil distance, go to Control Center, then Settings, then Pupil Distance, and here is your setting. You can click on minus or plus to adjust it, and adjust it until your view is clear. And when the pupils are close together, then they may sit against your nose, so make sure that they don't touch your nose. When everything is comfortable, you can click on X, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.